Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Mhla ka-13 kuJulayi 2025, uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa wasazisa ukuthi uthatha isinqumo sokuthi asungule i-Judicial Commission of Inquiry eyayizobheka iy'nsolo noma ama-allegations athulwa noma ashiwo uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Wasitshela ukuthi le Judicial Commission of Inquiry izobe iholwa i-retired judge okuJustice Mbuyiseni Madlanga. Sayigxeka-ke mayiqala nje sayigxeka sathi sewamaningi amakhomishini ebakhona kodwa singayiboni imiphumela. Kodwa nje sengike ngakusho lokhu ngaphambilini, le commission le ayifani namanye, indlela abasebenza ngayo nangendlela abenza ngayo izinto. President Ramaphosa wathi after 3 months ucela i-report, after 6 months ucela i-report. Ngempela ngeyi-17 zikaDisemba bamnikeza i-report ukukhombisa ukuthi umsebenzi wabo bawenza kahle. Njengoba-ke besebenza behind the scene baya-investigator, yingakho umuntu uma efika ethula ubufakazi bakhe laphaya bekwazi ukuthi bamshaye ngobufakazi asuka ngabulindele. Uzokhumbula nje ukuthi uJulius Mkhwanazi bambuza ngobudlane bakhe noKhethi Matlala naney'mali abekazithola kuye, washo ukuthi hhayi ubemsendela ama-1,000 rand, 2,000. Bathi nje sikhonfemele ukuthi i-account number yakho newanela ngaqeda ukukhonfema bambuza ngey'mali ezazivela lapho ezibalelwa ko-20,000 no-30,000. Lo baba ombona la ku-screen sakho uboshwe i-commission ilokhuzana i-task team yeMadlanga Commission. Asifunde i-article yakhona sizothola ukuthi wenzeni. 53-year-old Brigadier General attached to the Intelligence Division of the South African National Defence Force, Johannes Prince Mkhabela, appeared briefly before the Pretoria Magistrate Court on a charge of corruption involving 1.5 million rand. The National Prosecuting Authority confirmed his court appearance following his arrest. It is alleged that on 13 February 2026, ngolwesihlanu, Mkhabela met with an investigating officer who was probing an intimidation case against him. During the meeting, he allegedly paid the officer 50,000 rand as a deposit and promised to settle the outstanding balance by September 2026. The payment was allegedly made in exchange for destruction of the case docket linked to the intimidation investigation. After the exchange, members of the Madlanga Commission task team arrested Mkhabela in connection with the alleged corruption. The case was postponed to 20 February 2026 for bail investigations. Mkhabela remains an accused in the matter as legal proceedings continue in the Pretoria Magistrate Court. Uhlupha lana kubugebengu. Kwesinye isikhathi uyaba ingxenye yobugebengu unabanye abantu, kodwa ekugcineni kosuku usale wedwa. Usele yedwa manje. Uzolahlekelwa umsebenzi. Mhlambe laba ababenze nabo lecala phenyelwa lona abanazo lesikhundla naso. From bokusuka kwi-rank ehlonishwayo yokuba ubrigadier futhi usebenze kwi-intelligence division. Usebenze kwi-intelligence. So uzoba isiboshwa ngoba manje sengumsolo. Ya kunzima ne. Asidlule phambili. SAPS Northern Cape, a multidisciplinary illicit mining task team led by crime intelligence, conducted coordinated operations in Kimberley, Khalishiwe, and Rodipan on Tuesday, 17 February 2026. The operation resulted in the arrest of 4 suspects, 2 males and 2 females, aged between 38 and 58, for dealing in drugs. During the operation, police also confiscated drugs, dangerous weapons, cell phone, alcoholic beverages, and substantial amount of cash believed to be proceeds of crime. In addition, members conducted a vehicle checkpoint (VCPs) during which 36 vehicles were stopped and searched and 78 persons were searched. Ayikho into ebulala izwe lethu lase South Africa njengama-drugs. Ayikho. Ayikho futhi into engithokozisayo neyenza ukuthi ngizizwe ngijabulile njengokureport udaba oluthi amaphoyisa abophe umuntu oshushumbisa ngeidakamizwa, ngoba labantu babulala izingane zethu, babulala odadewethu nabafowethu. Labantu laba bamosha ikusasa lalezwe, basibulalela ikusasa lezwe, ngoba noma isiphi isizwe, noma iliphi ikhaya, uma ufuna ukulibulala, ufuna ukuqeda ngalo, kufuneka ubulala intsha yalo. Ngakho-ke amaphoyisa amenza umsebenzi omuhle kanje, ngizizwa ngijabula kakhulu ngoba ithemba kimi liyabuya. Ithemba liyabuya. Kodwa ngiyafisa ngelinye ilanga siphile ku-crime free society. Angazi kungenzeka kanjani. Kodwa kupossible noma kuyenzeka emazweni anjengo-China ukuthi kube khona i-crime free society. Nalabantu abashushumbisa ama-drugs kufuneka kube khona igwebo esokwenza ukuthi umuntu angafuni ukuzithola ekulobugebengu, ngoba uma engasazithola kulobo bugebengu uzozisola. Yabona mangake kwenziwe imithetho enjalo siyoba nezwe elingcono, ngoba eSouth Africa sinawo amajele, siney'ndawo zokuhlumelelisa isimilo, sinama correctional facility. Yingakho kungeke kwenziwe umthetho ukuthi umuntu otholakala nama-drugs akabulawe, ngoba lana kuthiwa umuntu akawulungisa amaphutha akhe abuyiselwe emphakathini. Kodwa umuntu obulala isizwe sethu kanje akadeserve ukuba semphakathini. Iqinisweni lilonke nje akadeserve ukuba semphakathini. So bengithi angikulethele lezi ndaba ukuthi iMadlanga Task Team ibophe obrigadier namaphoyisa ngapha eNorthern Cape abamba abantu beyidakamizwa. Ngiyacela-ke ulike ivideo, ucommente, ushare. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Okunye futhi engifisa ukukubeka, uma nginethuba ngiyawafunda ama-comment, ngiyawaresponda futhi ama-comment. Kodwa into esengiyibukile la, abantu bakhomenta besebenzisa imizwa not ukurizina. Uma umuntu imbonweni ke yaphambana ukuthatha engathi uyamhlasela, uma nje imbonweni ke yaphambana. And okunye futhi efuna sivumelane ngakho nekufuneka ngikubeke la kukodwa ukuthi noma umuntu ngamzonda kangakanani, noma ipolitical party ungayizonda kangakanani, kodwa angeke mina ngekuvumela ukhuluma amanga ngalowo muntu loyo. Ngiyengenza isiqiniseko sokuthi kuyo yonke into esipostayo siposta into injengoba injalo. Akukho la esenzelela khona, ngoba asifuni ukuthi kube khona umuntu esizomqambela amanga. So ngibonile abanye sikhuluma ngoPresident Ramaphosa besho nezinto angayishongo. Uma umuntu umtshela hayi akulona iqiniso lelo, athathe ngathi wena uyamhlasela. Ngiyafisa sikuqonde lokho ukuthi akekho umuntu ongabalekanga, akekho. Ayikho comment futhi engabalekanga. Kodwa uma icomment yakho iphuma eceleni futhi ukhuluma into engeyona, ngizokuphikisa nabanye bazokuphikisa, hayi ngoba uhlaselwe, ngoba ekugcineni kosuku funeka ufunde kimi nami ngifunde kuwe. Futhi funa ngabe mangabe wenza iphutha sikucorrect ukuze ube neinformation eright. Ngakho-ke ngiyafisa nikuqonde ukuthi uma umuntu ekhuluma into ekungeyona sizomcorrect, whether uyathanda or akathandi sizomcorrect, whether ufila like siyamhlasela or asimhlaseli, kodwa kusalayo sizomcorrect. Ngoba fanele noma ngathi umuntu umzonda kanjani kodwa ungakhuluma amanga ngaye. mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.